Thursday, the 30th of November, 2023. We're going to be doing several things this afternoon, but we're going to do a review of this little tire pump right now. And we're going to be talking about checking the thermostat in this van. This engine is not getting warm. I don't think they put a thermostat in it, so we're going to check it out this weekend. But we'll be talking about that. We're going to go ahead, get the little bicycle over here and plug this tire pumper upper into the 12 volt and see how it does. Okay, that other tire inflator that was from Walmart was a Bel Air 500. It was $30. This one is the Hyper Tough 12 volt standard tire inflator, 8 minutes from flat to full, 120 maximum PSI. It does have a headlight, and this one wasn't but $23. So we're going to hook it up, and it's got its 12 volt cable plus its air cable, just like any kind of standard would have. And then you've got a needle to fill up balls and stuff with, or accessories. So let's get it out, plug it in over here, the accessory, and see what we can do with it. Okay, the very first thing I've noticed is the Bel Air 500, not this one, the Bel Air 500 has 20 feet of 12 volt cable or line. This one looks like it's more like 10 feet. There are a lot of vehicles, this would not even, it may not even do this van if I needed it on the van. So beware of this Hyper Tough. That 12 volt line may not be long enough for you to do what you need to do. So let's connect it and see how it works. Okay, we've got it connected, just screwed it onto the valve. Turn it on, and it's not doing anything. Let me make sure that that light was on a while ago, and now the light's off. Let's see what's going on. Okay, it just wasn't plugged in good up there at that socket. So it's showing about 15 pounds. These need to be about 26. So let's see how long it takes it to get to 26 on these little bike tires. It's up to 20. I don't know that this Hyper Tough is going to be as quality of a product as that Bel Air 500. I think I like that Bel Air 500 better. It was also at Walmart, but it was $30, so this was $23. Okay, we're at about pressure, so let's cut this one off. And let's connect it to the back tire and get it up. Then we will go over and check Vicky's Toyota tires. Okay, let's see what... This tire is almost flat. Let's see how long it takes it. Okay, let's go over to Vicky's and hook it up and see what it'll do over there. Okay, Vicky's little accessory plug is not powered all the time. Now, I understand why they do that, so it won't kill the battery, but you got to have the key to make the thing work. That's aggravating. It's supposed to be an accessory outlet that people don't use them much, I don't guess, for cigarette or cigar lighters anymore. So the accessory switch ought to be powered all the time, in my opinion. We're going to let Vicky see if she can connect that thing, and we're going to put about 38 pounds. It says 36 on her door. But the light's coming on when it's cold in the morning, so we're going to put a little bit more in it. Okay, her door panel says 36 psi. It's showing about 32. Okay, we went around and got all 4 of them. Vicky got 3 of them, so it just takes a little bit of practice when you've never done something like this before. Trying to get those things threaded on there right and get it pumped up. So that should have her in good shape. Even if it's a little bit cold, that light shouldn't come on. Okay, well that'll wrap this one up. Well, I'll make a little bit more about the van over there, what we're going to be doing this weekend on it.